quality content. It's the cornerstone of driving traffic through SEO and social media. And it can help you convert that traffic, turn clicks into leads, leads into sales, buyers into repeat buyers, job browsers to applicants, followers into fanatics. And for many businesses, the timing has never been better to start new content or to double down on current efforts. Let's start by defining quality, and then I'll share 3 idea generation tips. I often hear from folks who say they don't have anything interesting to write about. Malarkey. That's patently false. You have 2 things your audience desperately wants: knowledge and perspective. And it's critical that you share both. Now, in the old days, knowledge alone was good enough because it was so hard to come by. Today, we have information overload. Do you know how much content is uploaded to YouTube every minute? 300 hours. That creates a lot of info for people to sift through, but how much of it is actually legitimate and good? Now, the litmus test for quality content should be, does your audience care about what you're saying? Do they get value from it? If so, you've got a great start. Then to fully separate from your competition, make sure you go into greater depth than they do. It's not just about word count, but take a look at what pages rank at the top of the rankings for your core keywords. What can you add that they're missing? And don't just think about copy. The more you can add videos, imagery, and other mediums, the more you'll improve user experience and SEO. Now, knowing all this is just a start. You still need to execute. And I built up our business originally by blogging darn near every day. And it definitely felt like a slog sometimes. Here are 3 tips to help. First, build a content calendar. You can be flexible with content, but you don't want that panic to set in when it's time to write a post and you're searching for topics. Now, I used to keep a small pad with me at all times, including on my nightstand. It was just for ideas whenever the light bulb turned on. Evernote or your task management system work too. Second, block time off in your calendar for when you're most creative and can focus. And make sure you're realistic about the time it takes. I always book more time for research than I need, even if it's a subject that I know cold. Now finally, I'm a huge fan of interviewing people. Talk with an expert. Oftentimes, their commute is a perfect time to get a hold of a busy person. And just one last note, as important as quality content is, it is not a field of dreams, build it and they will come scenario. You don't want to waste all that effort to not have it reach your target audience. You still need to promote it, whether that's through SEO, social media, email, or ad campaigns. Now, for more digital marketing advice, check us out at directom.com. And until next time, be generous with giving and accepting help.